Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a mob in Blockbench. Mobs are used for creatures, enemies, or NPCs in games like Minecraft. There are two plugins that make creating a mob much easier. The first one is Minecraft Entity Wizard. This plugin provides multiple mob templates that you can use as a base. You can customize these models in detail instead of starting from scratch. The second plugin is CEM Template Loader. Similar to the Entity Wizard, it offers pre-made mob templates that instantly give you a working base model. Both plugins help speed up the process and let you focus on customizing and animating your mob. And that's how to make a mob in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.